Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mrs. Home. Today I am going to share with you how to prepare yummy and delicious Zarda Pulao. It's also called as sweet pulao or Meetha Chawal. Take 1 cup of basmati rice, wash this twice and soak this for 30 minutes. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add chopped almonds, cashews, dry coconut pieces and raisins. And fry until these dry fruits changes its color. To the same pan, add 3 to 4 pieces of cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Saute for a minute and add 2 cups of water. Add few saffron strands and few drops of lemon yellow or orange liquid or powder food color. Close the lid and let water comes to boil. Now add 1 cup of washed and soaked basmati rice. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a medium flame. Now 80% of rice is cooked. It's time to add sugar. Add 1 cup of sugar. Mix well. Add dry fruits and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix well and cook until the sugar dissolves completely. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally until it is done. Now cook under 5 more minutes in a low flame. Now you can see our Zarda Pulao is completely done. So it's time to switch off the flame. Yummy Zarda Pulao is ready to serve. Enjoy!